Hello everyone, nice to see you, all of you once more. And today's topic is skimming and scanning. These are the most important ones and techniques in English, especially in the reading part, I think. So before doing some kind of reading tasks, we should aware of how to do that task efficiently in a certain time. Yeah. So before starting, let's get to know together what are these. Skimming and scanning are especially valuable when there is only one item of information that you need to find from a particular message. It means that from the certain part of the text maybe. Skimming and scanning are very rapid reading methods in which you glance at a passage to find specific information. These reading methods make it easier for you to grasp large these reading methods make it easier for you to grasp large amount of material, especially when you are pre-reviewing. They are also useful when you do not need to know every word. You don't have to spend your time. And skimming is used to quickly gather the most important information or gist. It is not essential to understand each word when you are skimming. Run your eyes over the text, noting important information. Use skimming to quickly get up to speed on a current business situation. Let's see the examples of skimming. The newspaper, to quickly get the general news of the day, or magazines, to quickly discover which articles you would like to read in more detail, or business and travel brochures, to quickly get informed. How to skim? Working quickly, read the title if there is one. Read the introduction or the first paragraph if there is one. Read the first sentence of every other paragraph. Notes any pictures, charts or graphs. Notes any bold keywords or bolded words, maybe phrases. And read the summary or last paragraph if there is one only. So we have the chart. It is easier to know, getting the gist, not stopping, first and last paragraph, topic sentence, and read fast. Run your eyes. Let's practice. So there is a given practice and there is a given some parts of the text with questions. So we can practice the next lessons together. Let's move the scanning part. Scanning is a reading technique to be used when you want to find specific information quickly. In scanning, you have the question in your mind, like you read a passage only to find the answer, ignoring unrelated information. Examples of scanning. So, a Google search list on the internet, a bus or airplane schedule, conference guide or graph. So there is a given picture also and with numbers. So we can do together this one also. How to scan? The first way is to state the specific information you are looking for. Try to anticipate how the answer will appear and what clues you might use to help you locate the answer. For example, if you are looking for a certain date, maybe number, you would quickly read the paragraph looking only for numbers without spending your time for other information. Or use headings and any other ideas that will help you identify which sections might contain the information you are looking for, or selectively read and skip through the sections of the passage. And also we have the practice part. Let's do this one at home. Let's move the last part, conclusion. Well, skimming and scanning are used when reading some types of documents. We can skim to get the idea of what a document is about and typically skim all documents before we actually begin to read. As we skim, we think about the topic. We think about what we already know about the topic, or we start to guess or anticipate the details we're going to read about. We can skim for specific information. We work quickly when we skim and scan. Yes, these are the helpful information, I think, for you to do some tasks, especially related to for reading. So today is over. See you.